Vanderhall Venice, a fusion of classic style and modern engineering. The Vanderhall Venice is a distinctive three-wheeled autocycle that combines the charm of classic roadsters with advanced engineering. Designed to offer an open-air motoring experience, the Venice brings both style and performance to the road. The 2023 model starts at a base price of $29,950, featuring a lightweight frame and a powerful 1.5L turbocharged engine that produces 194 horsepower, making it perfect for spirited driving. Available in elegant colors like Gone Gray and Royal Blue, the Venice also boasts a luxurious tan interior. It comes equipped with premium features such as heated seats, Bluetooth audio, and cruise control. Riding on polished 18-inch wheels, this autocycle offers both comfort and performance. For those seeking even more luxury and enhancements, the GT and GTS trim levels, priced up to $339,950, deliver additional performance upgrades and refined amenities. The Vanderhall Venice is the perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Roar X40, revolutionary folding electric wheelchair. The Roar X40 folding wheelchair is a game-changing innovation in mobility, offering a blend of modern technology and convenience for individuals with mobility challenges. This electric wheelchair is both foldable and ultra-lightweight, making transportation and storage hassle-free. Powered by a durable lithium battery, the X40 provides an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers on a single charge, granting users the freedom and independence to move without concern. Despite its compact design, the X40 doesn't compromise on comfort, featuring cushioned seating and adjustable armrests to cater to various user preferences. Its sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 265 pounds while remaining light enough for easy handling. Priced at around $2,500, the Roar X40 elevates daily mobility into a smooth, empowering experience, allowing users to confidently navigate their world with ease. Tinger Dog, your ultimate all-terrain utility machine. The Tinger Dog is a compact and versatile utility machine designed for outdoor enthusiasts, conquering tough terrain year-round. This all-terrain workhorse excels not only in snow but also in mud, marshes, woods, and uneven surfaces, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Tinger Dog conveniently fits in most truck beds or garages, ensuring easy transportation and storage. Key features include a robust engine that can tow up to 1,100 pounds, ideal for hauling gear, supplies, or multiple passengers. The comfortable swiveling seat allows for optimal control, while the user-friendly reverse gear facilitates smooth maneuvering in tight spots. Safety is a top priority, with features like a clasp brake and electric starter. Whether you're an ice fisherman, hunter, camper, or simply enjoy exploring the backcountry, the Tinger Dog is a reliable companion that will get you where you need to go, no matter the season. Langfight GT4S, the ultimate electric ATV scooter. The Langfight GT4S electric ATV scooter is a thrilling blend of off-road adventure and urban practicality, setting a new standard in the electric scooter market. Powered by a powerful 6,000 W motor, the GT4S reaches top speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its category. Its 60 volts 45 Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, ensuring long, uninterrupted rides whether you're cruising city streets or exploring country trails. With a dual suspension system and a sturdy frame, it offers exceptional stability and comfort on rough terrain. Priced at around $3,200, the Langfight GT4S is more than just power and performance. It delivers freedom and excitement, making every journey an exhilarating adventure. UNITREE H1, a breakthrough in humanoid robotics. The UNITREE H1 is a cutting-edge humanoid robot, showcasing impressive advancements in robotics technology. Weighing approximately 104 pounds and standing at 5 feet 11 inches, the H1 delivers high-performance motor capabilities with a peak torque density of 189 Newton-meters per kilogram. It's designed for speed, able to reach up to 10 feet per second with the potential to surpass 16 feet per second. Powered by an 864 watt-hour battery, the robot offers extended operational time, making it suitable for various demanding tasks. The H1 is equipped with a 3D lidar system and depth camera, enabling precise environmental perception and navigation. It comes standard with an Intel Core i5 processor, with the option to upgrade to an Intel Core i7 or NVIDIA Jetson NX for more complex tasks. Although the price hasn't been officially revealed, it's expected to be under $90,000, positioning the UNITREE H1 as a competitive contender in the humanoid robot market. HydrofoilEET Ski Flyway, a futuristic water adventure. The HydrofoilEET Ski Flyway redefines water sports with its innovative electric-powered hydrofoil technology. Designed for thrill seekers, this sleek jet ski glides effortlessly above the water, reducing resistance and boosting speed for a smooth, exhilarating ride. Its powerful electric motor ensures a quiet, thrilling experience, unlike traditional jet skis. The hydrofoil feature allows the jet ski to lift above the water at high speeds, creating a unique floating sensation. Eco-conscious adventurers will appreciate its zero-emissions design, making it a sustainable choice for water sports enthusiasts. Priced at approximately $115,000, the Flyway offers a premium, futuristic water experience, blending performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge design for those seeking a thrilling, environmentally friendly ride on the water. Motors E1C, affordable and eco-friendly three-wheeler. The Motors E1C is a groundbreaking three-wheeled vehicle that merges the efficiency of a motorbike with the stability and safety of a car. Designed with affordability and eco-friendliness in mind, the E1C offers more than 3 days of typical commuting on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for daily transportation. With a top speed of 110 miles per hour, the E1C features a robust safety system, including 3 airbags, anti-lock brakes, and a unibody frame. Charging is convenient, as it can be powered using any standard 120-volt outlet. Inside, the fold-down rear seat allows for extra cargo space, enhancing its practicality. As part of Motors' mission to deliver sustainable and entertaining personal transportation options, the E1C represents an affordable, eco-conscious choice for drivers seeking to reduce their environmental footprint without compromising on performance or safety. Toxo Zer 7.0, the lightweight electric one-wheel motorcycle. The Toxo Zer 7.0 is an innovative one-wheel electric motorcycle that blends the excitement of motorcycling with the simplicity of an electric scooter. Weighing just 102 pounds, it's easy to move and transport, even fitting in the trunks of most cars. This unique vehicle reaches speeds between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, making it one of the easier one-wheel scooters to learn. With an impressive range of up to 105 kilometers on a single charge, the Toxo Zer 7.0 is perfect for both short and extended rides. Its robust power output ranges from 1,500 to 2,000 watts, providing a thrilling ride while maintaining excellent endurance. Additionally, the Toxo Zer 7.0 is fully waterproof, ensuring it can handle various weather conditions with ease. Offering a one-of-a-kind experience, this electric motorcycle combines fun and practicality for a memorable and dynamic ride. Terrain Hopper, empowering off-road mobility. The Terrain Hopper is an innovative electric off-road mobility vehicle designed to provide freedom and adventure for individuals with mobility challenges. Engineered to tackle a wide variety of terrains, it effortlessly navigates through thick mud, fine beach sand, snow, pebbles, and even steep inclines with a 35-degree climbing capability and 10 inches of ground clearance. Whether on sidewalks, public trails, beaches, parks, or other pedestrian areas, the Terrain Hopper enables users to enjoy outdoor activities alongside loved ones. Previously inaccessible areas like hiking paths, beaches, and rugged landscapes are now within reach, making it perfect for hunting, fishing, camping, and trekking. Often compared to a mini Land Rover, the Terrain Hopper transforms every outing into an accessible and thrilling adventure, bringing new possibilities to outdoor exploration. Marathon Coach 1363, a luxurious rolling masterpiece. The Marathon Coach 1363 is a 2024 H345 double-slide luxury motorhome, blending elegance with functionality. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this custom coach features dark neutral tones accented with hints of blue, offering a sophisticated yet cozy ambiance. Soft accent lighting and illuminated panels ensure a well-lit interior, enhancing the coach's luxurious atmosphere. Inside, a fireplace adds warmth and comfort, perfect for relaxing on cooler days. The spacious pantry, cleverly concealed behind an illuminated art door, along with a large refrigerator, provides ample storage for cooking essentials. A camouflage dishwasher, covered stove, and wine cooler elevate the custom galley's functionality. The bathroom showcases rough-cut tile backsplashes and a sleek shower with a special sliding door and illuminated panel. In the bedroom, 2 large closets, one with a door-length mirror, ensure ample space for clothing, making this coach the ultimate travel companion for those seeking luxury on the road. Dream Wilder, a Ducati adventure machine. The Dream Wilder, an upcoming concept motorcycle from Ducati, is designed to merge high performance with the thrill of off-road exploration. Inspired by Dakar racing, this bike promises an exciting and sustainable adventure experience. Its clean, contemporary design is paired with robust features like a long-stroke suspension and 250 mm of ground clearance, allowing it to conquer diverse terrains. The Dream Wilder comes equipped with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, alongside 6 versatile riding modes, including Enduro and Rally. Powered by a lightweight 937cc engine and advanced electronics, this motorcycle ensures smooth handling and adaptability in any environment. Available in striking R22 and Star White silk finishes, the Dream Wilder is set to transform adventurous dreams into reality, making it the ideal choice for explorers seeking high-performance, eco-conscious travel. ONEON Carver X, the ultimate electric surfboard for thrill seekers. The ONEON Carver X is the perfect electric surfboard for those who crave thrilling, high-speed water adventures. Featuring a powerful dual-jet propulsion system that delivers 10,000 watts of torque, it's an excellent choice for riders weighing over 187 pounds. Designed for maximum stability, the Carver X remains balanced even at top speeds, allowing riders to confidently navigate big waves. Equipped with 2 batteries, it offers up to 40 minutes of ride time, ensuring long and exciting sessions on the water. Its sleek, modern design is complemented by a hidden antenna on the remote control, giving the surfboard a streamlined, polished look. Whether you're new to the sport or an experienced rider, the ONEON Carver X promises an exhilarating surfing experience, combining power, speed, and elegance for all skill levels. Toyota E Pallet, the future of autonomous mobility. The Toyota E Pallet represents a groundbreaking shift in mobility, designed to redefine how we experience transportation and services. This fully autonomous electric vehicle is more than just a mode of transport. It's a versatile platform capable of transforming into various functional spaces, such as mobile shops, offices, or clinics, based on community needs. Its modular, boxy design maximizes interior space, allowing for customizable layouts tailored to different industries. Powered by Toyota's chauffeur mode, the E Pallet ensures safe, driverless travel. Showcased during the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, it offered a glimpse into a connected, adaptable future. While pricing remains undisclosed, the E Pallet is a visionary step toward the next evolution of urban services and community engagement, promising a more flexible and efficient mobility solution. Regent Seaglider, revolutionizing coastal transportation. The Regent Seaglider is an all-electric, zero-emission aircraft designed to transform coastal travel with speed and efficiency. Capable of covering up to 180 miles at a top speed of 180 miles per hour, this innovative vehicle utilizes advanced wing and ground effect technology, allowing it to fly just above the water's surface. Its design enables it to seamlessly integrate with existing dock infrastructure, making it a practical solution for regional and coastal commutes. With its sustainable approach, the Seaglider offers a high-speed alternative to traditional transportation methods, reducing environmental impact. Over 600 Seagliders have already been sold, and Regent boasts a $9 billion order backlog. Although pricing details remain undisclosed, the Regent Seaglider is expected to play a pivotal role in the future of coastal transportation, offering an eco-friendly, fast, and efficient travel option. Kingsong S8, redefining personal mobility. The Kingsong S8 is a standout electric unicycle, blending cutting-edge innovation with high performance for adventurous riders. Featuring a revolutionary adjustable suspension system, the S18 allows users to smoothly navigate various terrains, from urban streets to rugged off-road trails. Powered by a robust 2200W motor, it reaches impressive speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. The 1110 watt-hours battery offers a substantial range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Its sleek, aerodynamic design not only looks futuristic but enhances stability and agility during rides. Priced at around $2,200, the Kingsong S18 is more than a personal transport. It's an investment in advanced technology, designed to transform the way you move through your world. Mio Electric Skateboard. Affordable high-performance commuter. The Mio Electric Skateboard is a perfect blend of performance and affordability, ideal for both leisure and commuting. Priced at around $469, it stands out among budget boards with its impressive top speed of 28 miles per hour, powered by dual-hub motors. With an 11-mile range on a single charge, it's well suited for city commutes. The strong yet flexible deck ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces, while its regenerative braking system helps extend the battery life. At just 17 pounds, the Mio is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry when needed. The wireless remote control allows for precise control over acceleration and braking, giving riders confidence in both speed and safety. All in all, the Mio Electric Skateboard is an excellent choice for those seeking a fast, long-range, and budget-friendly electric longboard.